Today it's Friday, December 15, 2023. Early morning, I'm just arranging my day, what I have to do. The golf engine, alright? What's remaining, like I said yesterday, need to torque down the damper pulley, need to take it out of the engine stand and install the crankshaft rear seal. Yesterday night, the guys, they brought me the bolts for the crankshaft rear seal, and today, I was thinking actually yesterday night when I went home that I don't have the plastic tool. It's like one tool, it's like a funnel to drive in the crankshaft rear seal. Alright? I'm gonna explain now what I mean. I'm gonna show you. I ordered it, I didn't receive it. There are 2-3 tools that I haven't received and I need to follow up with that. So what's happening? This seal, it has to point inwards. That means when you install it, this membrane here inside, it has to point inside, not outside. So what I'm gonna do, let me use both hands. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it there to get the shape. I'm not gonna hurt the seal. It's not spinning, it's not doing anything. I'm just to get the form, all right? I'm gonna keep it there. That's the outside, all right? That's the dust seal that has the first one outside, and then this is the main seal. This is how it's supposed to look inside. So I'm gonna keep it like that. And I hope when it comes the time to install it, to stay at this shape. I hope. We're gonna find out. The two remaining bolts for the dual mass flywheel, it's coming today, later on, not now. I'm going outside to continue with a couple of other stuff, and when they come, the guys, we're gonna remove the engine from the stand and we're gonna continue. It's one plastic piece like a funnel that you're putting it on the seal and then plop, you put inside and everybody happy. I don't have it. I had two of those before. Let me see where is it actually, where it went, why it didn't arrive yet. Dang it. And later on, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be installed on the engine, and then I'm gonna give it to the guys to continue with the engine, to merge it with the transmission and put it on the car. Good luck. I might destroy the seal, and then we have to purchase another seal, and then I have to wait also the tool. Let's see where's the tool. Another one small thing. Oil filter. I'm gonna install now the oil filter, so don't have it for later, just in case. So don't forget. So what got remaining? Sorry that I repeat myself. Okay, crankshaft rear seal, damper pulley bolt need to be torqued down, and the 2 bolts for the dual mass flywheel. Correct? Yes, correct. Sparklex already put it yesterday. Yep. Alright, nice. Engine outside on the table, out of the engine stand. The crankshaft rear seal, it's been installed. It worked fine. I didn't destroy the seal, fortunately. Let's torque down now the dual mass flywheel and move on. I have some help from the guys to hold for me the engine. Don't throw it down. Hey, it sits on a piece of wood, by the way. And that's it for now. Damper pulley bolt's been torqued down. Oil filter, it's in place. And dual mass flywheel bolted down, torqued down, the plate back in place. Like I said, most probably tomorrow, we're gonna have the first start. We're gonna see, we can find out. Alright, looking good. That's it, thank you very much. Over and out.